Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry effectively. First, begin by thoroughly understanding your syllabus and the exam pattern. This foundational step ensures you know exactly what to expect. Next, dedicate time to building strong conceptual clarity for each topic. Don't just memorize, truly grasp the why behind the concepts. Finally, give equal importance to all three branches: organic, inorganic, and physical chemistry, as each contributes significantly to your overall score. To master chemistry, establish a consistent daily study schedule. Regularity is key to retaining complex information. Make sure to practice numerical problems frequently, particularly those from physical chemistry, to improve your problem-solving speed and accuracy. For organic chemistry, creating flowcharts and mind maps can be incredibly helpful. These visual aids simplify reaction mechanisms and help you remember complex sequences more easily, making your study sessions more productive. Effective revision is crucial for success. Consistently solve previous year's question papers to familiarize yourself with the exam format and common question types. Make it a habit to regularly revise all important formulas, chemical equations, and reaction mechanisms. This reinforces your memory and prevents last-minute cramming. Crucially, identify your weak areas through practice and dedicate extra study time to strengthen those specific topics, turning challenges into strengths. On exam day, effective time management is paramount. Allocate specific amounts of time to each section and stick to your plan to ensure you attempt all questions. Present your answers clearly and concisely, using diagrams or chemical equations where appropriate, as this can significantly improve your scores. Most importantly, stay calm and confident. A positive mindset helps you think clearly and recall information more efficiently, allowing you to perform at your very best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.